Someone was asking me a question saying, Coach, how do you analyze the market before you can enter any trade? So, anyway, he asked the most difficult question, but well, I'll try by all means to just explain to you guys on how I find my entries, and I believe this is going to be helpful to you as well. So I'm going to try my best here in this short video just to explain to you how I find my entries. So guys, Forex is interesting. Forex is a business that you shouldn't go with the mindset of gambling. It's not betting. All right, so this is one of the advice that I can give you. Forex is not betting. Forex, you really need to know what you are doing in front of those charts. So for those of you who have actually been my followers, I think we've looked quite a number of things in our Zoom meetings that we'll be having, and also some of the content that I post in the group where I share some trading tips. And also, if you are not yet in the group, you can just check in the video description and join the group and learn Forex trading from an expert. All right, so I've been here in this business for quite now. I think I'm now clocking 11 years, so I know what I am talking about. All right, guys, so let's get back to the business. So somebody was asking me a question saying, Coach, how do you analyze the Forex market before you can find your entries? Well, so myself, or personally, how I find my entries in trading is, the first thing that I do is I make use of the time frames. All right, I know you are asking yourself questions, time frame, what do I mean? So the first thing that I do, I'm going to look for the time frames. Why? Because time frames, guys, they are actually roadmaps that will show you the direction, that will show you, that will prove to you why you should enter or not to enter that particular trade. So the first thing that I'm going to do is the market analysis. So how I do my market analysis is I am going to go to what we call the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, guys, this is one of the wonderful time frame that I use to know the overall direction of the market. So once I go to the monthly time frame, the next thing now that I'm going to do after I have known the overall direction of the market, now I'm going to come to the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, guys, what I'm going to look for is the chart patterns. All right, the chart patterns. This is very, very important, because for me to know how I should enter and how long that trade should take is I'm going to look for the chart patterns showing on the weekly time frame. So those time frames, guys, they are not there for decorations. Those time frames are to be used, and to be used in a correct manner. So this is how I've seen it to be effective personally. On the monthly time frame, the only thing I'm going to look for is the overall direction of the market. And the second thing that I'm going to do is, on the weekly time frame, I'm going to look for chart patterns. All right. Then once I know the chart patterns, then I'm going now to come to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, I'm going to look for the trade opportunities. So daily time frame, guys, this is a tradable time frame. Monthly time frame, weekly time frame, you don't trade. You just use them to know the overall direction and also the structure which is being issued on the market. So the daily time frame, I look for trade opportunities. Then once I identify those opportunities, then I'm going now to go to the lower time frame, which is H4 time frame. H4 time frame, this is where now I'm going to look for my entry opportunities. All right, so daily are trading opportunities. Then the monthly, the H4, the only thing I'm going to look for are the entry opportunities in combination of also the 1 hour time frame. So guys, this is how I've seen it to be effective for you to maximize your profit and minimize the losses in trading. So this is how analyze the forex market. This is how, guys, I find my entries. Indicators, yes, I use them, but indicators are just there to help me after I have analyzed the market in this manner. Then I come now to the indicators and use now the indicators. So for more, you can join, you can check in the video description. I think you are going to find also my YouTube channel, and also join the community that I have created just to empower the traders out there, the struggling traders and those who wants to venture into trading forex. Forex, guys, is one of the good business that I can proudly, yes, say that is good. So you can join the channel, and let's see how I'm going to help you. Once again, your coach, your fund manager, or a fund manager, Coach Mike. I'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope I have helped someone there on how personally I analyze the forex market. All right, guys.